Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So we're going to take a look at GALA today because the recent Bitcoin and crypto recovery has resulted in GALA forming new market structures that we will most likely adhere to moving forward. So let's dive into the charts to see what I'm talking about. So looking at GALA on a daily time frame, ever since the previous moon in September all the way till now, if you've been watching my previous videos on GALA, we did establish that GALA has always been following a Fibonacci retracement on a macro level up until recently. So this local high right here of around 14 cents and this local low right here of around 7 cents was pretty much the basis of this particular macro structure right here. So this moon, for example, was following key Fibonacci levels. This is following key Fibonacci levels, key Fibonacci levels. Even here, it was following key Fibonacci levels. And during the capitulation, during the slow downtrend for GALA, if you notice, we have been adhering to key Fibonacci levels ever since. Now that GALA has pretty much broken past the EMAs right here, when price action breaks through particular price thresholds right here and it's above the EMAs, this is pretty much confirmation that we have formed new bullish structures, new market structures to the upside, and we would have new rule sets now, and we would have to abandon the old structures that we were adhering to before. So right now, GALA appears to be following a new market structure where this is the local high right here of around 84 cents and this is the local low of around 15 cents. When we draw a Fibonacci retracement right here, we are now following a new market structure. What do I mean by that? So ever since this low right here, we're pretty much hovering between the 0 and the 236 zone right here. But once Bitcoin rallied and the rest of the altcoins followed, if you notice, we initially met the 382 here as resistance, but the next day we found it as support and we pretty much continued, met the 050 as resistance for a couple of days, but once we rallied past it, now we are hovering between the 050 and the 618 range, between 35 cents and 44 cents. You're also probably wondering why this red candle doesn't just go back down here to support levels. That is because it is currently finding support at the key 050 level of around 35.77 cents. So a question that you may have now is, now that we have broken through the EMAs and technically we are back on an uptrend, where can we potentially go moving forward? So the key thing to note here is because we have retraced quite significantly from 84 all the way to 15 cents, there's a popular saying in the investing space that the greater you retrace, the larger the impulsive pace. If GALA would continue to adhere to this Fibonacci structure, then a 1618 target of around $2.42 would be actually the conservative estimate that we can establish for the rest of the cycle. GALA tends to actually overshoot this 1618, but it remains to be seen. So it's always good to just be conservative and be pleasantly surprised if price exceeds your expectations in the future. But the way we're going to get there, of course, is we're not going to get there overnight. We would probably be adhering to key Fibonacci structures and also adhering to 5-wave Elliott wave structures to the upside, where this is your potential wave 1 right here, where we cross the 050. We may expect a slight correction soon to the 382 of around 29 cents, then continue our journey to the 1.272 of around 1.34, backtest the 1 as support at 84 cents before landing at our subsequent destination of around $2.42. So if you've watched my last videos on GALA, we did establish that there are certain risk thresholds that we can establish where as long as the price is below those particular levels, you continue to DCA, but once price is broken out of those levels, then you stop investing in it. But because the recovery happened quite quickly, a lot of you are probably wondering, how do I come in if I've missed the boat? This is where it's very important on a bull market to now spread out your buys. That is because now that we are in an uptrend, this is the perfect time to really be disciplined when it comes to your investing and don't just YOLO in green candles when you see that GALA has suddenly pumped 20%. A nice strategy moving forward is wait for the price to sort of hang around key support structures, whether it's on the EMAs or whether it's on key Fibonacci structures. These are your potential entry opportunities. For example, we know that this candle is resting on the 050, so this is a potential DCA zone right here. But spread out your buys. Why? Because the 050 can be broken, assuming a Bitcoin correction in the next couple of days. If it corrects, then you have enough funds to buy in at the 55 EMA right here of around 30 cents, Or you can also aim for the next key Fibonacci level of the 382, which is around 29 cents right here. And of course, if you continue to spread out your buys, if you continue to DCA, if we further correct from here, then the next zone is the 236 right here of around 22.8 cents. Overall, it remains to be seen if GALA can hold these particular levels. I hope it can finally hold these bullish uptrend levels, because I know a lot of you have bought this particular run up right here and you're probably itching for your portfolio investment to not be negative anymore. If you like that video, hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you want me to make a video about your favorite gaming crypto? Be a Patreon subscriber so you can request for it. Being a Patreon subscriber helps keep the channel sponsor, shill, and Moonboy free. Take care everyone. Bye-bye.